In this video, I'll show you how to quickly generate a temporary voiceover in Adobe Audition using the Generate Speech feature. I'm editing this video and I want to add a placeholder voiceover so we can anticipate the pacing and flow of the edit. Here is the text that we want to add. Let's open Adobe Audition and create a new audio file. Go to Effects, then Generate, and select Speech to open the dialog box. Choose a voice by selecting the desired language and gender. The options depend on your operating system. Adjust speaking rate and volume to your preference. Type or paste your text into the box provided. Click OK to generate the audio file. Audition will create a new audio clip with the synthesized speech. When done, export the audio clip. Now you can use your voiceover in Adobe Premiere. Keep in mind, this feature is best for quick drafts or placeholders. For higher quality voiceovers, third-party AI text-to-speech tools may produce more natural results.
My sorrow, when she's here with me, thinks these dark days of autumn rain.
And that's it. You now know how to generate placeholder voiceover in Adobe Audition using the Generate Speech feature. This approach helps you anticipate pacing during editing and keeps your workflow moving until the final voiceover is ready.